Home remedy for hiccup. Chopped fresh ginger into small pieces and sucked it to stop new, old or persistent hiccups. It is also an infallible addition to stop any kind of hiccups. Home remedy for hiccup. In this case, boil 4 small cardamoms, with peel, with 500 grams of water. When the water becomes 200 grams by boiled, take it down. Filter it with a clean cloth and eat it hot, as much as you can tolerate. Once this hot water is taken, the hiccups stop like magic. It is almost an infallible remedy to stop the stubborn hiccups.